2024 Honda Prologue, Honda's second try at an electric vehicle, EV. After the disastrous Clarity sedan, the 2024 Prologue SUV has made an entrance with a subdued appearance that belies its commitment to environmental conservation. The Prologue is powered by the same Ultium battery pack that powers GM's latest EVs, notably the Equinox EV, which the Prologue shares components with. It is based on a platform that was collaboratively developed with General Motors. A dual-motor, all-wheel drive arrangement is optional and can provide up to 288 horsepower. A single-motor powertrain is standard and should produce about 210 horsepower. Depending on the setup, a driving range of between 250 to 320 miles can be expected between charges. The Prologue shares proportions with the midsize Passport and will be positioned above the CR-V in the Honda lineup. The Prologue shown here has a panoramic sunroof, 21-inch alloys, and basic LED illumination. Its interior features some design influences from other Honda cars, such as an infotainment screen that is positioned upright like a tablet, a dashboard that is simplified, and a central console that is clear of clutter. For those seeking a more upscale option, Honda's luxury brand Acura has introduced ZDX, a Prologue version of its own. EV motor, power, and performance. Because the Prologue's powertrain and platform are shared with the Chevrolet Equinox EV, it is available with either one motor and front-wheel drive or two motors and all-wheel drive. Although Honda hasn't yet disclosed the horsepower figure for the front-wheel drive variant, the latter is rumored to be capable of 288 horsepower. We predict that model will produce 210 horsepower based on what we currently know about the Equinox EV. We'll take the Prologue to our test track as soon as we can, updating this post with driving impressions and acceleration data. Range, charging, and battery life. A General Motors sourced 85.0-kWh battery pack will be included with every Prologue model. An estimated 300 miles is the driving range of the single-motor front-wheel drive model. However, the dual-motor all-wheel drive version will give up some of that range in exchange for faster acceleration. We anticipate that the dual-motor version will have a driving range of approximately 280 miles. If you would prefer to comfortably refill the battery in your own garage, Honda now sells a home charging kit. However, the Prologue can be charged at a maximum rate of 155 kilowatts using a DC fast charger. Interior, comfort, and cargo. Although the interior of the Prologue bears some traces of its Chevrolet heritage, Honda has done a good job of giving the cabin a distinctive style all its own. Its streamlined dashboard design lacks the Chevy's circular vents, vividly colored surfaces, and tilting infotainment display, among other design cues found in the Blazer EV. Rather, the Honda's layout is similar to that of the Passport SUV and Civic compact car, with a minimalistic design with subdued colors. We anticipate a more spacious cabin with more capacity for cargo because Honda claims that the Prologue's wheelbase is 8.0 inches longer than the CR-V's and that the EV version is also 5.0 inches wider. Infotainment and connectivity. An 11.3-inch infotainment touchscreen dominates the Prologue's dashboard, standing tall and strong. Included are wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as well as an in-dash navigation system with Google Maps capabilities. Other standard features include a wireless smartphone charging pad and an 11.0-inch digital gauge display. A head-up display is only available on the top-spec Elite trim. Touring and Elite models come equipped with a 12-speaker Bose stereo system that includes tweeter speakers located in the Prologue's A-pillars. Pricing. Depending on the trim and extras, the 2024 Honda Prologue is anticipated to cost between $48,000 and $58,000. Honda hasn't disclosed the Prologue's price, but we anticipate that it will begin at $48,000 and go up from there. There will be the standard X, Touring, and Elite trim levels from Honda, and even the entry-level model has good features like wireless smartphone charging, dual-zone automatic climate control, and heated front seats. However, since the Touring model has leather upholstery, a 12-speaker Bose radio, and memory seat settings, we believe it will be worth the premium. By the end of 2023, customers will be able to order the Prologue, a brand new nameplate for the Honda brand, with the first deliveries planned for early 2024.